Hello, it's Jim from Early Birds. This is video number 3, and I have to be honest, I've been looking forward to this video. It's part of our Straight Talk Marketing 2020 series videos, and if you haven't seen video 1, 2, and 3, I'll stick a link below. You can go to a playlist. I'll quickly go over there. You can go to it'll take you to. I'll stick the link below for this particular playlist. You can see over here on the right hand side, Straight Talk Marketing 2020. And then there'll be a list of videos in the series. We're going to do probably one a week. So maybe subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the alarm bell. Okay, subscribing, because you subscribe, or I subscribe as well, many channels. If you don't hit the alarm button, you'll not get the notification. Okay, so subscribe. You can do that on the videos over there. We'll cover that in a separate video, how to do that, or you can Google it. Or search it on YouTube, but definitely we'll cover how to subscribe. Put a subscribe button in your videos, but that's it's a whole topic video. Okay, but that will be coming soon, probably maybe the next video, and definitely hit the alarm bell. Okay, so in this video we want to cover first. I'm just gonna have a little bit of a chat first before I go into it. We're going to cover in this video about how important, if you're internet marketing, if you're selling anything online, or you might have a channel about dog grooming, or how to bake a cake, or what, music, or whatever, you need to do video. Okay, there's absolutely no way of tarting it up and saying different. If you're not doing video of some description, and don't panic if you don't want to sit and put yourself on video. There is other ways of doing video marketing, but if you're not doing video marketing, you're losing out on a good chunk of audience. Okay, so I just wanted to cover that first, 100%. And again, don't panic if you haven't got the confidence to put yourself on screen. There is other ways of doing it. Okay, so we'll cover that in a second, through the video. But I just wanted to cover. I'll just get rid of this this picture. Okay, so looking at the stats, and the reason I say about internet marketing, you need it. Looking at the stats, if you just Google yourself, the top 10 website rankings in the world. Okay, I just want to cover this first. Obviously, no surprise. Number 1, Google. Okay, number 2, YouTube. Number 3, Facebook. We'll just cover those 3 for a second. You can go through the list. And you see Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, all social media all over the world, and they're all ranked high in the top 20. Yeah? But the top 3, and this is again, Google's not a surprise. YouTube, second in the world. But what I wanted to cover first before we go into the video side of it, look at the average visit duration. Okay, and if you just, for example, on this website, average time spent by user per visit. Number 1 in the world is YouTube. 23 minutes. And I did look through the whole stats just to be sure I was talking. Number 1 in the world, YouTube, is time visited, average time. So every person who visits YouTube, average, they're sitting there 23 minutes. And again, I will cover analytics in another video. Again, there'll be lots of different topics in this video series, but time on site is very important. You can have like 1 million visitors, but if they only stay there for 1 second, they're not really much use to you. Just look at that. Facebook, 11 minutes, more than double the time on site is on against Facebook and YouTube. So don't, this is why it's so important. I want to stress this before we go into the video. If you're not video marketing in some form, then you're missing out on a huge opportunity for audience. Okay, it's a sales page and it's free traffic for the, you load a video on YouTube, whether it's you sitting in front of a screen, a recording, or a trailer video, or whatever it is. It's video traffic for life. Okay, how will you get that video seen? There's another story. We'll cover that a little bit in this video, but again, it's another topic. There's so much to cover in this. It's good. I don't know if I've basically committed myself to a lot of videos. Okay, but our Early Birds team, a lot of our members, this Jim, sort of videos, you know, at the beginning of this year, they said sort of video series out. Because there's a lot of questions. As an internet marketer, there's a lot of questions. I don't want to explode everybody's head, and you kind of do it in one video and what have you. So just, you know, basically look at the stats. Google it yourself. You can go to similarweb.com websites and just look at the stats yourself. It's not Jim making it up. So, first, YouTube. Okay, I want to cover in this video YouTube and Vimeo. Okay, because they're both very important, and sometimes internet marketers forget about Vimeo, and I want to cover this in this video both, because they're both as important as each other. Okay, today I was looking, but we'll start anyway. We'll start with YouTube. Now we'll go to my channel, so we'll go over there, Jim Watts. Again, subscribe to the channel, it helps, and hit the alarm bell. But we'll just cover first, if you watched video number 2 in the series about getting social, okay, and one of our topics on the getting social was branding yourself, you know, getting your house in order first. So the first thing you want to do if you haven't got a YouTube channel, open one. It costs you nothing, okay? The first thing you want to do before you even think about loading any videos or, you know, sort your house out. So I'm not going to go too much. Again, watch video number 2 in the series, and you'll get the drift straight away. You've got a big advertising space on YouTube. Okay, this is my channel. Look at that. You've got a big banner ad to advertise something nice. You've got join me on Facebook button. You can link your Facebook in in your settings. You've got a placement video, just an example. You can have a pinned post. So just an example there. That's in the last 6 months, 8,088 views to that video. Okay, and a good majority have come from people coming to my channel homepage, and the first thing in the video, it plays automatically. Okay, and then you've got feature channels. You can link it with other channels and so on and so on. So definitely get your house in order. Place a nice picture, link your Facebook, pin a nice video. And again, when I say pin a video, don't pin a video for the next hot topic, what's going to be around for 10 minutes. Pin a video, something long term, or like to your home base. Like example, a 4ways page. I own ads in Bitcoin, so obviously that's one of my home bases. But I don't mean put a video here, join this rev share, or join this project, or join that project. Put a topic there to your home base. Okay, something what's really going to be there for a long time. And I know that's not going anywhere because I own it. Okay, and again, you've got a clickable link there. This is all perfect advertising. And again, a photograph. Okay, not a silhouette or a photograph of a car or Mickey Mouse or Donald Duck or whatever. Again, I covered that in video 2 of the series. Try and use the same photograph as you do on all your social media channels. You're branding yourself, early birds, straight away. Again, you catch. So I don't want to go too much into branding, but definitely get your house in order before you start going for it. Okay. Now, YouTube, once you've got your house in order, YouTube is, like I said, it's traffic for the rest of your life. You load traffic, whether it's recording like what I'm doing now, or you're taking a trailer video or something like that. And I'm going to show you quickly in this video how to do it. I'm just looking because the parcel man's just coming and I'm expecting delivery. I'm going to pause the video because the parcel's just arrived. 1 second. Okay, so I've got my parcel. Sorry about the pause. Right, so as I was saying, when you upload, I've lost train of thought there. So when you upload, you've done your house, you put your house in order. Sorry if I'm stumbling a bit there because I can't remember where I was now. The first thing, like I said, you've got traffic all day. If you haven't loaded a video, don't worry. I'm going to show you in this video, very simple. I will cover how to record videos, and there's absolutely hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of tools. You can make trailer videos, graphic videos. You can record like I'm doing now. You can put a green screen, so there's lots to talk about on videos. But what I would suggest is go to my YouTube channel, and I'll stick the link, like I said, below the video, or search Jim Watts on YouTube. I'm sure you'll find it. And then you can create playlists. So as your video catalog gets big, you need to categorize everything. So you can see there, Straight Talk Marketing. I've created a playlist, Big Go BTC, Ad Pack playlist, M2M. There's lots of playlists. Ads in Bitcoin, Paid to Watch, 4 Ways Marketing. You can see, you get the idea. You can categorize yourself, so you can put all your videos in one place. Like if you've got, just an example, a playlist for this playlist, Straight Talk Marketing, on the right hand side, as you're loading the videos, you can add them direct to your playlist, and the viewer can watch, just an example, Straight Talk Marketing 1, video 2, this one will be video 3, and so on and so on. So you get the idea. And it's basically, to load a video on YouTube, number one, house in order. Okay, get that sorted out. Don't get excited. Now, I will show in this video an example how to load a video for ads in Bitcoin, and you can do a test if you're in ads in Bitcoin. If you're not, join it first. You can join it from, this is free. You can join this for free. Join it from the 4 Ways page. You've got free traffic exchange. You can earn referral commissions and whatever. There's me plug. Okay, so go to the 4 Ways marketing page, join ads in Bitcoin, join it there. Once you've joined, you've got a referral link. Okay, and so once you've done that, you can go to, I'll stick a link again below this video to download the trailer as a test. Okay, so again, you don't have to talk on video, you don't have to talk on camera, but it'll get you started on YouTube. Okay, so I will, in the second half of this video, I'll show you where to get this video from. I'm not sure if you can actually do it. I don't think you can do it from YouTube. Again, this is another benefit of Vimeo. But to upload, top right, you've got a little create a video or a post. Click that little camera, upload a video. Just quickly go there, and you drag and drop or select the video from your computer, and it'll upload. Okay. Once you do that, you've got to put a video title, keywords. Just an example. Just want to find that video if I can, just to show you, because you can maybe copy the. I'll show you where to get that in a minute. Basically, you put a nice description, and one of the biggest things that a lot of internet marketers forget to do, shall we say? I'll just go back to YouTube, because the YouTube Studio is a new version of YouTube. To be honest, I don't like it. I like the old version, the classic version. But one of the biggest problems I see, and I learned this from a very famous internet marketer. And if you go, just an example, go to my YouTube channel, and you'll see when you load a video, the title, okay, which is obviously this bit here, Straight Talk Marketing 2020 video 2, Let's Get Social. But there's one thing you should always do. Just an example, if you go through my videos, you'll always see at the end, by Jim Watts, by Jim Watts, by Jim Watts, all written in the same. If you're doing it in lowercase, high case, or whatever you like, I always do it in lowercase. But at the end of your title, doesn't matter if it's trailer or whatever, you put by Jim Watts. And again, I didn't make this up. I learned it from a very, very famous internet marketer, and it does the trick. Now, the reason you do that, and again, it's got there's millions and millions of videos on YouTube, but if you're watching a video by Jim Watts, just an example, we'll click, which one should we click? We'll click this one, Cryptos Builder. Pause it. So, if you're watching a video by Jim Watts, normally, there you go, it's showing you another video by Jim Watts. No, it depends on where what you're looking at and the topic. Watch out, because there's a lot of keywords involved and everything else. But you see already there's one by Jim Watts just straight away. In there, you might see 2 or 3. It depends on. Again, there's a lot of other factors involved, keywords, the topic. What's the topic of this video? Crypto. So you're very, very in a competitive market, you know, when you're using the word crypto. But let's just use that one. Let's have a quick look just to see. Probably make a liar out of us somewhere along the lane. 9 times out of 10. But this is how you get your other, you know, other videos in it. Again, it's a competitive market because there's millions and millions and millions of videos. But no, it's going to make a liar. Ah, there's one. See, let's update for 2019. Massive heads up. Blah blah blah. There's another one. So there's 2 in a row straight away. And this is how you get your videos to show up in here. If you're watching, again, it's all about algorithms. If you're watching a video by Jim Watts, YouTube are saying, ah, well, he's interested in videos, but there's another one, Jim Watts. See, it's always by Jim Watts at the end of the title, so that's very, very important. And once you've chose whatever you're going to put, it could be by you whatever, you know, by so and so, but they put exactly the same title by blah 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 at the end of every single video. Doesn't matter what video it is, okay? And this is how you get, you know, the likes of more views. It's more traffic because the algorithm says, ah, he or she's watching Jim Watts' video. We better show, you know. Again, it depends on the title as well, because if you're using a word like Bitcoin or crypto, it's a high keyword, you've got a lot of competition. But that's a perfect example. When you're loading a video, you've got to put that title at the end, by, and then blah blah blah, your name, shall we say. Okay, so that's a big number 1 tip. Now, to get the video out, I'll show you. So basically, YouTube, like I said, well, how many videos do we need to do in the series? Because you've got how to record a video, you've got how to keywords. There'll be a number of subjects in our video series of Marketing 2020, Straight Talk Marketing 2020 about videos. Okay, because it's a huge topic, absolutely huge. But today I'm just covering the basics. Set yourself a channel, and well, you know, start loading some videos. And again, a lot of people, a lot of our Early Birds team members are very shy, or they've got no confidence, what have you. So I'm going to cover this in this video. Now, again, once you've loaded that video, you can share the video on social media. You can share the video on your blog. You can share the video on your website, on splash pages. You can share it everywhere. It's not just about YouTube. And I'll give you a quick example of that. I have on the 4 Ways page, again, I'll put the link below the video. Click, go, scroll down. You see there, Early Birds Media Center. Just an example. Click that. Now, all of these videos are on YouTube. Okay, I haven't loaded them on my Media Center. I've just shared the HTML code, and again, that's another video. But you see, if you scroll down here, all of these videos, let's just have a look. I loaded that one yesterday. It's had 37 views. Okay, so I click that. It's had 37 views. Just look at the views over here. They don't look a lot, but this is just from one place. Okay, some of my videos on here have had hundreds and hundreds of views. Again, it'll make a liar out of us. But if you go Early Birds Media, hit the home page. I'll just do another one quickly. Ads in Bitcoin. You see, look at that one. That's had 1,804 views. Not from YouTube, from this channel, from this particular page. So you've got views. Once you've loaded it on YouTube, you can share it, you know, wherever, blog sites, or you can share it on all the social medias and what have you. The views is not just about the views on YouTube. That's what I'm trying to stress. Like you see there, 1,804, 861, 621. All these video views is from this website you're looking at right now. And I've got videos, you know, all over the place. Splash pages, websites, social media sites. You know, there's a lot of websites coming, video sharing sites and things like that. Once you've got that on your channel, and every single one, like I said, if you look there, link, you know, you can put links to wherever. But video, I think 4 or 5 years ago, video wasn't so popular. You know, email marketing was the #1. Collect emails, collect the list, and you were laughing. Now, the percentage of people opening the emails has gone down dramatically. It's still very important now, watch out. But there's a lot, videos moving, you know, if you're not moving the video, you're in trouble. Simple as that. If you really want to be, you know, sell whatever it is you're selling. So, that's just, like I said, a quick overview of YouTube. Then we've got Vimeo. Now, Vimeo is one of these tools where a lot of internet marketers don't utilize. Okay, and it's very, very important. Okay? YouTube is #1 in the world for sure. It's free traffic all day. You load your videos. They're like two separate issues. But as an internet marketer, if you're making splash pages or websites, Vimeo is a necessary tool. Absolutely necessary. Quickly, again, there's a lot to cover in Vimeo, but I'll give you a brief rundown. And this is where you're going to get the video to test for your YouTube channel. Okay? Vimeo is, you have a lot more flexibility when you're loading a video. Example, I could load a video on Vimeo, put it on, I'll just give you a quick example. This is the video we're going to do the test with. Okay, so we'll take this video, and I'll put a link to my Vimeo channel. I'll put a link to this video. Okay, and this is just an example. You've got this is similar to YouTube. You upload the video, your title, description, clickable link, and what have you. But with Vimeo, it's a lot easier to choose a thumbnail. You can edit the thumbnail, what shows at the beginning, what shows at the end. If you go through these settings, there's a lot more flexibility. Now let's say I put this video on splash pages, websites, and I put them all over the place, you know, on my websites and sales pages and whatever. And let's say I want to change the video. On YouTube, you have to upload a new video, take the share code, take the HTML code, and then go to all your different websites and change them. Vimeo, you can basically, if you just scroll down, you know, on the settings here, you can add them to showcases, just like playlists on YouTube and what have you, and you can replace the video. So basically, I can upload a new video on Vimeo, and then I say replace the video, and I'll just pick a different video, and the video, what I've posted, what I've posted all over the place on websites, on you know, sales pages, splash pages, and whatever, it just changes. So you don't have to go all over the world to change. So that's one of the big advantages. You can collaborate with other users. You can interact. You can you know, take away the title. Just an example. I'm just trying to find. There's lots of different interaction tools. So you can take away the play bar. You can say, just an example. Like there, I've taken away the profile picture. If I just put that there, I tend not to use that because I use it for splash pages, and I use it for pages. I make splash pages for our team members. I don't want Jim's photo in there. So you can turn the photo off. You can put the title example, adds in Bitcoin. But again, I've took the title off because I use this particular video for, let's have a quick look. Perfect example. That is a Vimeo video. It's not a YouTube video. So I've taken the description away. This is a sales page for all of our members. If they use their referral link, it goes to this page. So they don't want a picture of Jim there. You know, that's just a perfect example. So Vimeo is very important for internet marketing, splash pages. You have a lot more flexibility. YouTube are very, you know, they've got a lot of rules. Again, Vimeo, you can't use copyright. If you haven't got permission to use these videos or what have you, don't do it. But there's none of this 3 strikes and you're out business. You know, there's a lot more flexibility. You can join. I actually paid a subscription for a high volume for a year. It wasn't that expensive, but you can join for free. You know, this is not a sales pitch. There's no affiliate link. I could give you one, but I'm not even going to go down that route. Join for free, and you've got, you know, a certain amount per week you're allowed to upload. But definitely go there. So, just an example. This video for the YouTube. Okay, the YouTube example. If I'll put the link to this video, this particular video in the description. below or above, depending on where you're watching it. So we'll quickly go over there, and we'll go to the video. So you're going to come to this video, okay? And you can see, if you just scroll down a little bit, you can't see obviously who it's from, but you can download it. Just looking at that, before we go any further, that particular video has had 6,376 views on Vimeo. Nothing to do with YouTube. It's just a completely separate video channel. Just, you know, it's free traffic, clickable link. So load them, you know, load them on Vimeo and on YouTube. Then you've got a lot of people who don't go to YouTube, but they go to Vimeo. We've got a lot of people who don't go to Vimeo but go to YouTube. So if you've got a trailer video or like a video like this, load it on both. Burn the candle at both ends. You've got double the chances of traffic. But what I'm saying is, in the video settings, you can say allow someone to download. Okay, so on this particular video, I says yeah, allow them to download. So if you click the URL, what I'll put below the video, just click download. You click download. You can choose what quality you want. Again, you can't do this on YouTube. There's a lot of advantages for marketers with Vimeo. So we'll just download it. We'll just do that for an example. Okay. Then you've got. Just have to move that up. You can see there. You can choose the title and what have you, where you want to download it to, and I'll just quickly press save, and it's downloaded. Okay. So that video is now downloaded to my computer. So I will go back to YouTube in a second to show you the example. But just going over to Vimeo, again, like I said, don't dismiss this one. It's totally free to join. You can upgrade and what have you. But if you're just starting off, I honestly don't think you know, you can get away with. Just one second. I'm just trying to get rid of that download. You can get away with being a free. You know, as you progress, you might need to upgrade. It's not expensive, it really isn't. But once you're in, you can see there, you know, Freedom Frenzy. I think I've loaded about 110 videos on this, and I should use it a bit more myself, you know, if I be honest. But so you've downloaded the video. We'll go, like I said, we'll go back to YouTube in a second for the upload example for yourself. But looking at the stats, I was looking again at the stats for this particular channel, my Vimeo channel. I've got I think there we go. Fill that for the past month, just the past month. Again, look at the views: 403,000, 311,000. I nearly fell over because I forget that, you know, I put these videos all over the place in splash pages and websites and what have you. In the last month, I've had 1,589,585 views of my Vimeo videos. Haven't all come from Jim. I'm not going to sit here and say, oh, Jim's had done all those, you know, had all them views personally. But remember, I just quickly scroll back up. I seen a video, just an example. Which one can I use? I just seen it. There's a few. You can see these are the help videos that I do on ads in Bitcoin. But I just seen one there. It just caught my eye. I'm just trying to find it again. I don't want to spend too much time on it. But there you go. Ads in Bitcoin trailer number 3. Now that video is installed on the website for the splash page for ads in Bitcoin splash page 3. In the last month, it's had 47,583 views. Now, again, it might be one of our members from Ads in Bitcoin, or, you know, advertising that particular splash page. But it's traffic all day. It is traffic all day, okay? And again, in the last month, Jim's Vimeo videos, whether by Jim or, you know, a splash page or a website or whatever, it's had 1,589,585 views. Not to be dismissed, okay? If you can get them sort of views in a month, I think you'll be happy. It all works on percentages. 8% of click links in the videos and what have you, so there's definitely activity. So don't dismiss Vimeo. I was chatting with somebody before this recording, and she said, "Damn, I'm going to have to get back into Vimeo because we'll forget. As internet marketers, sometimes we'll forget. It's not. There's more than YouTube out there. Okay, so download the video from YouTube, from Vimeo, and then we'll go back over to. We'll quickly go back over to the YouTube channel. So to upload, now you've downloaded that video from Vimeo or wherever. We'll go back over here, the little camera, upload the video. Okay. We'll just let that go. And again, you can use upload with the classic. I like the classic, to be honest. So I'm going to do that. You know, someday I will get into the new version of YouTube Studio, but I like the classic. So select the video to upload, and that's the one we've just downloaded. So we'll click that one, and I have to move my picture a little bit. 1 second. So it'll upload. So now once it starts to upload, the first thing you want to do, remember, by Jim Watts. Obviously you don't put by Jim Watts, you put by Peter Pan or whoever you are. You know, obviously I'm Jim Watts. Then the description. Okay, this is very important. Description. Don't leave it blank or just one word. Don't say, you know, join this program and then a link, because there's no. Remember, algorithms is very important. Okay, so we'll just quickly go back over to that video. I'll just click it. Just see if you'll probably get the description as well. Copy my description. It's no problem. There you go. You see, there's the way you downloaded the video from in the first place. You'll see there, you know, a description. Copy it. Absolutely no problem at all. But obviously, put your referral link for ads in Bitcoin. Don't use the. You can use the rotator link. You're helping the team, but obviously you want sign-ups from your video. So just copy that. Just an example, and then go over to YouTube. And then you paste that in there. Obviously, again, you can make it a little bit bigger. What I would suggest is, you know, a couple of spaces. I like to do that sort of thing. You know, it looks a bit. And then you can put more details, more description. You can say, oh, this is a great place to get free traffic or whatever. Give some content. You know, don't leave. Join this program and a link. Okay, I see that a lot. And bad move. Okay. Then you've got keywords. Now the keywords is very important. Remember, in the right hand side when you've got keyword, there's number. Absolutely, I could go on for hours about keywords, but showing the video on the side panel. So keywords, for this you would put like. I'll show you in another video how to get the best keywords out there. Super simple, free. Okay, but again, that's another video. You could put like, you know, Bitcoin as a keyword. So just an example, Bitcoin, comma, always finish with a comma. Then you could put free traffic, just an example, comma, just an example. And you've got, I think, 20 or 25 keywords maximum. But just keep putting them in there until YouTube say you've got too many keywords. Don't just put one or two. How to make money 2020, you know, marketing online, free traffic, banner ads. You could put loads of different keywords. And what that does is, when you're searching over here on YouTube and you want to search, obviously Bitcoin is a big keyword. It's a lot of competition. So let's just say you want to search banner ads. So if you put in there banner ads, just an example as a keyword, when someone searches over here on YouTube and they put in their banner ads, you may get lucky, and one of your videos as a result, because you've said it in your keywords. That's an important word. If someone's searching for banner ads, this video is going to be interesting to them. Okay, so you've got to think carefully about your keywords. Again, in another video very soon, I'll show you how to get the best keywords on YouTube, absolutely totally free. You have to do a little bit of work for it. You don't just press one button and there it is. But I can tell you, I can get you the best keywords totally free. You'll be amazed how easy it is. Okay. The next thing you want to do is add it to your playlist. You know, remember the playlists on your video channel. So you've made it. You go over here, add to a playlist. So, particular, this is about ads in Bitcoin. So I'll say I want to add it to that playlist. Okay. And then the thumbnail, that's the thumbnail, what it's shown there now. You've got some options, so I'm going to use that thumbnail. Okay. And just go back on the playlist. When you're adding it to a playlist, if you haven't already made one, at the very bottom you can say create new playlist, and then you just type in the name of the playlist, and then you can load it. Check the box. And then the next ads on Bitcoin video, you just go add the playlist, and you click the box, and it automatically adds it in that playlist on the right hand side. If it's about ads on Bitcoin, you don't add it to the big Go BTC playlist, because they've got nothing to do with each other. You know, you're categorizing all your different videos. So you get the idea of the keywords. Keep going until you've got a warning from YouTube that the videos got too many keywords, and then just delete the last one, and you're good to go. Okay, but definitely don't put stupid keywords in there. You have to think about what people are searching, because those keywords has got a lot to do with the search. Again, is by Jim Watts. So there's two things already. Okay, when you're searching or what have you, I just want to do it. So I'm going to cancel this because I've already uploaded this. So if I try and upload it now if I click, once you're happy with your description, keywords, your thumbnail, you've added a playlist, click publish. Okay, then you've got, and that's on YouTube. That's it. Anybody can do this. But again, I'm not going to publish it because I've already published it on my channel. And YouTube will say, you've already published this, so get lost. You can't publish it twice. That's classed as spamming. So we'll go back to my channel. Okay. I'm going to leave because obviously I don't want to publish it, but you have to press publish. Now, let's just say, you see how when I went to my channel, this auto played what I was telling you about? So that definitely pin a post, and again, to do that, customize channel, have a bit of a play, but we'll cover that again in another video. So we'll just go to the home page. Now let's just say I try and add. Now you see there, I'll just give an example. When the home channel, it says recommended, and I've been watching on my other computer screen as I do my work. I watch YouTube all day. It's like television. I've been watching the Porn Star series, where people go into a shop and sell the stuff, you know, and I'm pretty sure most people have seen porn stars on TV, but I've been watching that today on another screen. But because of YouTube know that I've been watching it, recommended. It's part of the algorithm, you know, the algorithm system. So let's just say you want to go in the search bar, ads in Bitcoin. Let's just say I search for that. This is YouTube search. Look at that, straight, obviously top two of the search. You test it yourself and just scroll down. Bitcoin is a very, very hard keyword to deal with, but if you do another one, Jim Watts, let's just see what comes up. Obviously me there, but look at the latest from Jim Watts is there. Jim Watts, that's a singer. He's always popping up there, but you see, if you search Jim Watts on Facebook, but let's just say you want to go to Google, okay? This won't happen instantly. It'll take a little bit of time for all the websites to find each other and what have you. But let's just say you want to go ads in BTC. Oops, I don't know, I spelled that wrong. And we'll search it. Or ads in BTC, the website and whatever. But over here you got videos. We'll click video, and let's see what again. Bitcoin's a very hard one, eh? But it's ads in Bitcoin register. That's one of our members. So one of our members has loaded a video on YouTube. Google's then found it, and now it's on Google as well. Eh? You get the idea. So you've got to put keywords in there. You've got to put. Just having a look at that one. There's not that many as there's more. There's not as many as I thought. But Oh, there's one. Ads in Bitcoin. That's number one, obviously. This one, but you get the idea. It's let's have a look. Big Go BTC. And this is on Google. Okay, so there's Big Go BTC. It's not really a big keyword, should we say? But if you're looking for Big Go BTC information on it, you go to Google, click in there, and people videos, and look at that straight away. Top 3 videos is Jim's. 7 days ago, I loaded 2. It's January the 2nd, January the 5th. So the video is very, very important. Okay, a lot of people are losing the will to read, and when even on Google they search Google and they click videos. If they're looking for information, they don't want to read the pages and pages and pages and pages. They just want to watch a video. So this is how video marketing. It's not just about people going on YouTube. It's about you loading it on YouTube. Google can pick it up. It gets searched, indexed in Google. You've got it on websites all over the place. You've got it on, media centers like my own, Early Birds Media. You get the idea. I know this video is longer than the normal 30 minutes, but it's very, very important. So if you again, there's a lot to cover in this video series. I probably put like how to record a video, keywords, how to get keywords and things like that. But again, I'm just covering the absolute basics. There's definitely YouTube and Vimeo. Okay, sort yourselves out on those channels. Totally free, absolutely free marketing. And again, last but not least, I'm going to cover it again. Average visit duration per person, 23 minutes. More than double Facebook. Everyone's posting Facebook. It's a post, it's gone, it's there forever, yes. Video, you're going to get traffic. 2 years down the road, people will watch this video, what I'm doing now, 2 years down the road, and it's January the 14th, 2020. You could be watching this 2 years later. Just an example. Totally free. So, get on it and do the test. I'll put the link below the video, below this video, to Ads in Bitcoin, Vimeo. Download it, copy the description, upload it to YouTube by your name. Okay? And that's you started. Leave a comment below once you've done all of that. Leave a comment below the video, and it does help this video series. Give a thumbs up. If you've got now to say, just don't. As simple as that. And then put a comment. Give us some interaction, and that's a favour to Jim. If you're finding this video series any use at all, leave a comment, give a thumbs up, and it helps me. It helps the channel. It helps the Early Birds team build. And hit the notification bell. Okay, that helps our video. Helps you get to see the next one in the series. So have a good one, and I hope it's not too long. It's 43 minutes. I try to keep it to 30, but again, video marketing, there's just so much going on. Have a good one. Catch you in the next video.